People are always asking me how I managed to set up such a nice studio. And honestly, that's actually a little insulting because I would have said it's spectacular. I always see YouTubers saying, don't spend any money on your setup. The best gear is whatever you have. That's just stupid. You need to spend an absolute fortune on your studio if you ever want to be taken seriously. You can always tell when someone has spent less than $1 or $2 million on their studio setup. It really shows. You have to spend millions to make thousands. There's just no way around that. Luckily, that's why you have me, a self-certified YouTube guru and expert. What exactly is a self-certified YouTube guru and expert? Well, it's the same as any regular certified YouTube expert. It really means nothing. Now, for a glamorous studio setup, you need to have the following items. A computer system that costs no less than $250,000. A sound system for no less than $100,000. You need lighting systems with pyrotechnics and lasers because lasers are so cool. And you want to do this for no less than $400,000. You're also going to need 60 to 80 super high-end cameras and at least 100 tripods to go with those. You're going to need furniture and camera accessories for no less than $200,000. You're also going to need to have a silver play button from another channel or two so that people will know you're legit. For your marketing budget, you're going to want to set aside around $1 million to start. And you can raise this on Kickstarter and easily get what you need just by asking for it. I'd also recommend making a video on Kickstarter where you cry a little bit, and that will really fool people into giving you money and do wonders for your campaign. Now, once you've got your gear and your budget organized, it's time to set up the studio. As you know, I'm a big fan of depressing and monotone colors, so this is where you can really shine. You don't want to appear desperate. People can spot a fake from like 6 inches away. So don't go crazy with bright colors. You want your studio to have a classic feel, but look super expensive so that people are attracted to your content. And this is going to come in super handy a few weeks later when it's time to make your own online course. And for tips on how much to charge, watch my previous video if you haven't already. As for the layout of the studio, make sure that it looks as blocky and modular as possible. It's been scientifically proven that blocky and modular style studios can get up to 1,337 times more views than aesthetic looking studios. Throw in your depressing colors on top of that and just watch what happens. That 3 to 6 views per video is easily going to start hitting 7 to 12 views in no time at all. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Get ready for the avalanche. Now, if you have your own tips as well, please don't leave them in the comments. I don't like it when people try to make suggestions that would improve upon my tips. They're already the best tips that exist, so no one can come up with something better. That doesn't exist. Don't wait any longer. Let's go spend those millions and then you can start earning a few dollars right now.